It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 4th of January. I'm Michael Groff. For the most part, our weather will remain unchanged for the next several days with temperatures above average and no precipitation. But we do have a pattern change to talk about coming up by about the middle part of next week, which will bring about cooler temperatures and the possibility of rain. Probably our best chance of rain that we've had in quite some time. Let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 76 degrees was the high in the valley, and we continue with these above average temperatures. That was only 3 degrees shy of the record for the date. Outside right now, here at 5:25 a.m., we are under mostly cloudy skies, and it is, 61 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point's 21, humidity 22%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning had to do a double take on some of these numbers. About 15 to 20 degrees above where we should be for early January, with mid-50s to low 60s on the board in many spots. The water vapor satellite view shows an impressive trough and a major winter storm cranking up off the mid and upper Atlantic coast, dumping plenty of rain and snow for the most part, and very strong winds, hurricane force winds in some spots as this thing continues to rapidly deepen. And that's going to bring about a blizzard for those areas. Here in the southwest, well, it's more of the same, just a ridge of high pressure and some high clouds from time to time. The watch warning map shows where the problems are. And yes, those are blizzard warnings for parts of the northeast coast. Also winter storm warnings, hurricane force warnings, freezing spray advisories, and all things winter storm related from the mid and upper Atlantic coast. They had snow in North Florida yesterday, so this thing is a monster of a storm. On the convective outlook, no organized severe weather, no thunderstorm areas anticipated across the nation. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. This is valid through next Thursday morning, about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/3 of an inch here in the valley. Significantly higher amounts across northern Arizona and further north and west across Southern California. They could see 1/10, 1/4, maybe even 1/2 inch in some spots. And we'll talk about why that is right now as we get out to the models and check it out. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 18,000 feet. High pressure in control here in the southwest. You see the major winter storm in the northeast. Down at the surface today, we'll have some clouds around this morning. I think decreasing clouds later. It should become mostly sunny with highs this afternoon, mostly in the mid-70s. Tonight, with less clouds and some drier air, lows should drop into the upper 30s in the cold spots, upper 40s in the urban core. Tomorrow, pretty much the same deal, mostly sunny skies and highs in the mid-70s. Mid, maybe even upper 70s on Saturday. Now, we do have an area of low pressure that's going to pass by north of Arizona. The initial thought was maybe we could get enough moisture to at least warrant a slight chance of some sprinkles or a light shower here in south central Arizona. That appears to be off the table. Maybe a few isolated showers across northern Arizona and up toward the Four Corners, but around here, just a partly sunny day on Saturday and Sunday with high temperatures each day, low to mid-70s. Monday looks partly sunny with high temperatures getting into the low 70s for us. Some rain in central and even southern California with a sharp trough beginning to develop there. On Tuesday, we see a sub 1,000 millibar low just northwest of Santa Barbara and plenty of rain for much of California where they need it most. Around here, partly sunny skies continue with a pretty thick deck of high clouds coming in and high temperatures again in the low 70s. I think Tuesday night, Wednesday morning is when the rain will come in. Well, right now, we're looking at scattered showers. This is not going to be a heavy rain event per se, but we could see certainly 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch with this. This is Wednesday morning off the GFS, and you see the rain is coming in here. The GFS continues to be a little bit faster with this than the European, and a little bit wetter as well. By Wednesday afternoon, this is mostly out of here, and we'll start to see partly sunny skies return with high temperatures likely only in the low 60s. This is a week from today, Thursday, the 11th of January. That system off to the east, high pressure building back in. Upper heights getting back to around 582 decameters, so high temperatures recover into the upper 60s. High pressure in here on Friday the 12th. Temperatures back above average, likely in the low 70s again. And this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 13th of January. And that looks warm and dry. High temperatures above average, low 70s at least. and the sky mostly sunny. Temperatures coming off of the European ensemble through the period, and you see that dip in temperatures coming in here by next week as it is pretty widely agreed upon that we'll see some precipitation. And that is going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning, and if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Thursday.